Hi, welcome back. This is Lena Bo. I'm a realtor in Austin, Texas.
This is Jonathan Wynn.
And we are in this community by Highland Homes. The community here is actually located very close to Georgetown. Leander School District though, really good school, Rouse High School, and also a brand new elementary school. The location here is very close to 29 that you can go to Georgetown and get to I-35 and also to Ronald Reagan 183 to get to Palmer Lane where Samsung on the east side and also Apple's on the west side.
And this 99, 100 degree heat in Texas is absolutely no joke. This is our third home of the day and we're all a little bit tired, so excuse us. But that does not excuse the beauty of this home. The first bedroom is also a flex space office. This one does not have a bath, but this is going to be facing the front of the home with a 4-pane window. Plenty of space for a bed or anything like that. We have very tall 9-feet ceilings. I have the mudroom and bench over here for backpacks, bags, etc., shoes, as well as the first bedroom with a window facing the side. Plenty of ambient light in regardless of the direction your home is going to be facing.
On the left side, there are also 2 bedrooms connected to 1 full bath. So this is one of the bedrooms, for example. There is a full bath, and you can see there are also cabinets in there as well. And this is the double door closet, it's a 1 door, but they actually put it in very like New York-like style for the design. And they're actually using a very trendy color. Connected to this in the hallway, there is also a washer and dryer room, and they have shelves here that you can fold your clothes and put in here.
Hi guys, we're going to be greeted with a giant quartz island that runs around the entire kitchen, stainless steel appliances with a sink here, dishwasher down on my right, a very nice tucked in pantry here for you, a small space for your refrigerator, as well as upper cabinets that run not only throughout the kitchen, but also where Lena is sitting over there. So if you guys want space for wine that you guys can't fit to your pantry, you guys have this entire wall built all the way up to yourselves.
Look at this beautiful living room. I just love the space. I like to dance right here. And look at the 6-panel windows. It's all natural light and with a beautiful oak tree outside. Make it so relaxing. Sitting here watching TV and enjoy the nature. And then heading to the master bedroom.
A little bit of a linen closet right here in the little junction for the auxiliary. It's bayside window of 4-pane leading out to the nice, beautiful backyard. And if the trees back there aren't enough, we have a whole oak tree in the backyard that we're going to cover for this home as well, right here in the lot. That leads into your double door master bathroom, double vanity that is connected together with a single mirror. Adjacent from the garden tub, standing shower, the similarity in the toiletry room that is tucked in here, as well as the 6-dimensional walk-in closet here for your wardrobe as well. Oh look, and here she is sunbathing in the grass.
This is beautiful grass. Looks like tarps, right? Look at this lot, it's huge. If you are looking purchase this home, it's a beautiful price.
It's actually
$4,000.
It actually got
my God,
reduced
it was
twice.
600 something. Yes,
Yeah.
it got reduced twice.
Plus 2 promotions actively running right now. Low tax rate and a low HOA rate with $280 per year. That's a great investment.
If you need information about this particular home, feel free to reach out to Jonathan and myself. Thank you very much and hope to see you in the next
video.